When a student is here at Grace House, they're going to learn life skills, like how to go to work every day, how to show up on time, how to be a profitable member of society. They do that through their work duty. Our students spend about 20 hours a week working out in the marketplace, and just going to work is a skill that they learn. They also learn how to receive instruction and correction from people in authority over them, and they also learn how to work hard. In the classroom, they also are taught basic skills like what to do with their anger and how to have a relationship with someone and how to work through conflict. And so we just do a lot of practical training to help our students know after their time at Grace House how to be a constructive and profitable member of society and have great relationships with the people around them.